Hello everyone and welcome to module 4. Think back to when you were first learning a foreign language. Do you remember long lists of words to memorize, endless grammar drills, repeating isolated sounds over and over until your face hurt? I can remember. Fortunately, language teaching has evolved. Young learners don't learn language by analyzing its structure. They learn by using it in meaningful, playful, and communicative ways. In this module, we are unpacking how to teach vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in a communicative way that make a language stick naturally. But first, let's look at vocabulary. Kids need rich context. Instead of just translating words, we use TPR, that is total physical response. We use visual, real object or realia, and storytelling. When a child connects a word to an action or sensory experience, it moves straight into their long-term memory. How about grammar? Young children are context-driven, not rule-driven. Abstract explanations like present continuous tense will only confuse them. Instead, we teach grammar implicitly through pattern practice, games, and song and chant. They learn how to use the language to express themselves before even knowing that they need to know the language or the meta-language behind it. Finally, pronunciation. Young learners are phenomenal mimics. Their auditory discrimination is sharp, making it a perfect age to build clear pronunciation. But we don't need dry phonetic drills. We use rhyme, rhythm, chants, tongue twisters, and movement to highlight stress, intonation, and individual sounds in a joyful environment. When we integrate these three pillars communicatively, our young learners build genuine communicative experience without even realizing that they are studying the language in quotes. As you work through this module, reflect on how your own classroom practice can change. How can you transform a traditional lesson into an interactive communicative experience? Head over to the discussion board. Check out the reading material and get ready for our hands-on lesson design case study. Let's dive in.